Hey guys, today we are making turkey meatballs and turkey burgers. Make them in advance and it's a quick meal. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We're going to start by placing our veggies in a small food processor. And we want to blend these until they're almost like liquid. We're going to liquefy these vegetables. Now you want to go ahead and mix your two meats together. Make sure they're blended well. We're going to go ahead and season up our meat. We have 1 envelope of Lipton onion mix here. And this is the only salt-based seasoning I will be using. Okay, go ahead and blend those together. Then go in with your no salt seasoning. Add the pureed vegetables and mix well. Now we're going to add 1 packet of one of my favorite seasonings, Sazon. And we're going to continue mixing. To hold everything together, we're going to add some flour. And you want to mix this until you no longer see the flour. Guys, I forgot to add my garlic powder. So go ahead and add about a teaspoon of garlic powder and mix that in. And we are ready to make some meatballs and burgers. I like to use my cake pop pan when I'm making meatballs. It works great because it helps them to keep their form. Just make sure you spray each cavity with some baking spray to prevent sticking. Now we're going to form our meatballs by using a cookie scoop so that they're all uniformed. To make our burgers, I've chosen a larger scoop. We're going to make balls and we're going to roll those in flour. And we're going to place them into our freezer safe burger saver. Now you want to lightly dust the burger press with flour and press them down. I absolutely love this little gadget. And they're all ready. I'm going to go ahead and bake the meatballs off in a 400 degrees oven for about 30 minutes, and we're going to turn them after 15 minutes. For our burgers, we're going to go ahead and stack those like a tower, and we're going to freeze those for dinner later on this week. Very convenient, huh? After 30 minutes, our meatballs are ready, and they are super moist. All we have to do now is add our favorite sauce, and we're all set. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, remember to keep life simple, and I'm going to see you on the next one. Bye for now.